Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can fix uh, you're not getting any notification when someone follows you. Okay, so maybe a lot of people follows you, but you cannot uh, see or receive any notification on your Mastodon app. So how can you fix this? Watch the video till the end, then you will learn. So here you can see the Mastodon social app. So click on your Mastodon and go to here top right corner on your screen, this one. So click on this and scroll down a little bit. Then here you can see the option notify me when anyone follows you. Okay, this one, this second option. So it's turn off now. That's why you are not able to receive any notification when someone follows you. So simply click on the circle, then it will be turn it on, and after that when someone follows you, then you will get or you will receive notification from them. Okay friend, today is no more, and please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.